Check me out, check me out, check me out. Back at y'all with another one. And man, this is gonna be a special one, bro. I'm really, if y'all seen by the title, y'all already know what this is. The PSA Micro Dagger. Yeah, we know what it is. I'm really hoping to put this in my EDC because recently my EDC firearm has been stolen from me, y'all. So I'm trying to replace it with something. I'm hoping that this is a good replacement. But let's just get to it, man. Let's just get to the unboxing. Y'all's may not look like mine because I ordered my upper barrel assembly and lower receiver separately. So it didn't come with all the fancy thrills and all that. It just came in a cardboard box. Um, Here's the lower receiver. You know what I'm saying? It just came in a plastic. Get rid of that. Get this off the table, as a matter of fact. And the two mags. It came with these two mags. Metal mags, the slick ones. Boom. So yeah. And then of course, PSA sticker. And then the barrel upper assembly here. Got that upside down. The barrel upper assembly just came like that. Let's get to it, man. Let's get to opening this thing up and we'll get to seeing what we got here. Yes, sir. Throw that because we don't need it. Yeah, feel me. Just came in this little plastic bag. Little weed bag. Got the little dime bag right here. Got the dime bag right here with the different set screws. Because you know we got the optics plate. We got the optics one. Actually, I think they all have optics. No, I don't know. I'm not too sure. Anyways, PSA Dagger Micro, y'all. Why did I buy it two separate pieces? I'm about to tell you why. Because if you buy the full gun, you pay $339 for it, right? But if you buy it in two separate pieces, lower half is $100. This upper half is $239. So if you add that together, it equals out to $339. But the difference is this lower half comes with two mags for $100. And if you buy the gun already assembled, you only get it for $339. Oh, you get it for $339, same price, but you only get one mag. So that is the reason why I bought it. Let's put it together here and let's see what we got. It's kind of stiff. Damn, it's kind of real stiff. Oh, there we go. There it is, y'all. That PSA Dagger Micro. Come with two mags. Ooh. Slide release is stiff. Everything is kind of stiff about this gun. I'm not gonna lie. Everything is real stiff. Racking the slide is stiff. The mag release is pretty stiff. So I'm guessing it all needs to get worked in. But it feels real good in the hand. It points real good. I know a lot of people complain about the trigger, the hinge trigger, but I mean, it doesn't seem that bad to me, to be honest. It's real slim, lightweight. Yeah, this is just my first unboxing of it. I can't wait to take it out to the range, which I'll probably be doing this weekend. So stay tuned to the channel. Y'all get to see me shoot this. And like I said, I really wanted to perform well. I really wanted to do good because my EDC got stolen. So this is what I want to replace it with. Let's see. Since I had this bad boy out, this is the regular Dagger Compact. With the Wolf Zero Sealy Optic, O-Light, threaded barrel. They feel kind of similar. This is just a lot slimmer and a lot more lightweight. But yeah, I also have a red dot that I'm gonna be throwing on here. I want to take it out for the range for the first time and just shoot iron sights just to see, you know, if it's any accurate or not. Because I've been seeing a lot of people saying it's not accurate, like on the internet and stuff. I wanna see for myself. But yeah, man, this is just the unboxing. I can't wait to show y'all some more footage with this firearm. And stay tuned. We'll definitely be taking it to the range and we'll see how it performs, man. Y'all stay strapped, man. Stay blessed, man. I'm out.